Good day, dear friends. I hope you're having a fantastic day. A day as good as mine. Just got back from the gym. Gotta take a shower before I do that. I'm gonna make a shake. And then, guess what? I'm cooking today. You're not gonna believe what I'm cooking. But I'll give you a hint. It's I would say classic cuisines of the Philippines. Chicken adobo. But with a twist. I'll tell you about it in a little bit. But before I do that, I'm gonna make my shake. Just gonna share with you what I'm putting in my shake. My shake today, I'm using a fresh raspberry. I'm just about finished with the rest of it. Frozen strawberries, which I have in the freezer. So in here, in my blender, I'm gonna put. Let's get these in here. This amounts to about a cup of strawberry, raspberry, and blueberries. And of course, let me back up a little bit here, guys. Friends. You know, a car at my age is considered vintage. So, of course, I have to do everything for the body to keep this vintage in shape. In here, I'm adding some chia, a super seed. Chia. Along with that, I am gonna do some oat milk for the liquid, and let's save some room for the protein powder. I am using for my protein powder. This is plant-based protein. Nothing but goodies. I'm gonna get 2 scoops of that in there. And I can add a little more liquid. And here we go. That should be enough. Let's find the lid. And this is absolutely super for post workout. Right. That is good to go. Thick and rich. This will add to what I call the lubricity. A vintage body like mine needs it. 84 ounces of water minimum, along with all the other beverage intake. And there you go. Before I take a sip, you get the first sip. This is power. Delicious, delicious. So my friends, as I mentioned earlier, I am making adobo with a twist. And the twist on my adobo goes well with trying to make it healthy, and basically just the meat. I am using chicken breast. Adobo is normally made with red meat. When I say red meat, I'm speaking of thighs, legs, or a portion of wings. I'm doing the healthy choice because, like I said, it goes well. Just finished my shake, my super shake, and now I'm going to clean up this chicken, season it, cut it up, and then off to a shower. By the time I get back, it should be good and ready to go. So first, let's get a nice squeeze of lemon in there. The Jamaicans are very particular about cleaning our chicken. It's gotta be clean. I'm gonna do a little bit of just white vinegar, basically just to wash it. Put a generous portion in there. I'm using a deeper bowl because I want to make sure that there's not a lot of splash all over my sink. Let's get some water in there. Turn it off. My friends, it doesn't matter where you're from. Never ever limit yourself when it comes to food. The greatest joy is having food outside of your culture. All right. I'm gonna pat that down with, let's use some paper towels. That's a lot of water. I'm gonna get rid of as much water as possible. So when you add your seasoning and you begin to brown it, there's less water to contend with. Just a little bit more. Okay, so in a little bit, I'll be cutting these. Maybe cut each of these in three. Each of the breasts in three. I'm gonna add my just one layer of seasoning, which is the kosher salt. Just a little bit because I'm adding other items in here which contain high sodium, even though I'm using low sodium. Okay, that should do it. Okay, my friends, let the prep work begin. I'm gonna cut these in three. What do you think? Oh heck. Let's pare it down a little bit here. Probably going to trim the excess fat. This is just a healthy version, all white meat versus thigh, legs, or wings, and sometimes a combination of pork. Gotta keep this vintage going. Okay. Put this back in the bowl. Let's get rid of this for a moment. A little bit of kosher salt. Not much, because I'm adding, as I mentioned, the other ingredient later on, which I'll share with you. So I want to keep it as low sodium as possible. I'm going to let this sit. By the time I finish shower, it'll be nice and ready. Oh, so my friends, now that I took a shower, feel nice and fresh, got rid of Omicron or Omicron, whatever it's called, soon to be Optimus Prime, like a transformer. I feel a lot better. So now let the cooking process begin. First thing I'm going to do is to brown my chicken. So I'm going to go ahead and add some oil in the pot, and then I'll move on to the rest of my ingredient. Chicken adobo. Healthy stuff. Okay, so I'm going to get a generous portion of olive oil in here to brown this chicken. So my friends, while I'm waiting on the chicken to brown, I'm going to put a few things together here. I'm going to start with the a little bit of pimento. Whole pimento. It's Jamaica allspice. I'm going to combine it with whole peppercorn. That's a lot, but that's the way I like it. Already have my bay leaf ready. I am going to slice up my garlic. I'm going to do low sodium soy sauce. This container represents a cup. So there we go. Okay, that should do it. Slow pour. And I'm going to combine, weird combination here, but that's where the twist comes in. This is a rice vinegar. I'm gonna blend it half and half. I'm going to use a little bit of vinaigrette. If you say too fast, it's pink rat. Oh, maybe I should have. Okay. Too late. Did I shake it? Okay. Get the good stuff in here. This is not really the preferred choice of vinegar, but it was a last minute thought about what vinegar I'm going to use, and that is all I have, so that's what I'm using. Water. Supposed to be about a cup and a half. I'll add a little bit more later. All right, I'm going to brown my chicken. And when I come back, I'll be cooking. So my friends, that's browning up. Just gonna set them aside. I make one slight adjustment. Instead of using water, I've decided to use chicken broth. More flavor, more bang for the buck. So the first thing I'm going to do is, let's crank this up a little bit more here. The first thing I'm going to do is add my garlic. Add my bay leaf. Add my peppercorn combined with pimento. Let's get a wooden spoon here so I'm not making any noise in your ears. I'm going to stir this until the garlic is brown. I believe that's brown enough. So I'm going to add my chicken broth, which is a substitute for water. I'm going to add a little bit more, just for insurance. It should be about a quarter of a cup. And salted chicken broth. I'm going to add my combination of vinegar, rice, and vinaigrette. I'm going to add my soy sauce. And I'm going to do something a little unusual, or maybe not. I'm going to add a little bit of brown sugar. Unusual for me, because I normally keep things, I don't do real sugar, but this time I'm compelled for the reputation of the dish. Add about two heaping teaspoons. Okay, sugar should dissolve. And I may add a little bit of bouillon paste, chicken bouillon paste, depending on the. Let's do that, because I did not add enough of the kosher salt to the chicken. So that'll be my salt. Okay. So a little bit of bouillon paste, just a tad. I like to taste my food, not the salt. Gonna have to dissolve. I'm going to return my chicken to the pot. This pot is a little bit big for the for what I'm doing here. Oh, what the heck! More room, the better. I'm gonna cover this, have it simmering low, and in a little bit, dinner will be ready. So, my friends, in case you wonder, what happened to the first pot? I decided to switch it, simply because the liquid need to cover the chicken, and that wasn't happening in the shallow pot. So there you go. Now it's cooking. Getting some rice ready and some other ingredient, and dinner will be ready. So chicken adobo goes perfect with white rice. I up to serve mine with whole grain or multi-grain brown rice. So that is my treat of being healthy. Granted, I mentioned earlier, a car at my age is vintage, and so you gotta feed the body the right thing in order to keep it running. And so my shake earlier, as you notice, it's loaded with protein, super seeds, chia, and berries. And here we are, followed by a healthy course of chicken adobo. There you have it, my friends. So my friends, as you can tell, my plate is ready. Look at how delicious that looks. Yum, yum, yum. So my friends, after all, dinner is ready. Before I show you my display of absolutely fantastic chicken adobo, cheers. Okay, so here we are. Ta-da! Chicken adobo, healthy style, chicken breast, some eggs. Eggs, you should eat it all time of day. It is absolutely a gift for the brain. Choline serves as a neurotransmitter. Gotta have eggs. So my friends, I throw a pepper in there. This pepper is actually looks a little bit weird because it is frozen. It's just for color. But suffice to say, my chicken adobo is ready. My friends, thanks for indulging with me. Until next time, this is the Jamaican on the Move. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until then, love you, my friends. Peace.